In this video, help you how to get brainstorming and job explained by artificial intelligence. How to code an AI product. What AI can do. AI expert. I'm AI expert. Okay. Available for your business. Domain expert. Domain expert business. Okay. For example, business for freelancing and job and business and industry, factory, many more business. Do valuable for your business. Okay. Domain expert. I am AI expert. Okay. And brainstorming framework. Automate that rather than job. Automating call center. Picking phone. Email issue refund. Call routine. Okay. Automating radio login. As the monitoring other doctor. Consultant. Okay. Main driver of business value. What are the main points in your business? Okay. And you will learn about brainstorming framework, how to proper rule support for job AI. Okay. Automated rather than main driver of business value. Okay. What are the main pain point in your business? Okay. It is always necessary to have big data. Having more data is good. With small data set, you can make progress 10, 100, or 1000. Data point can be a good start. Okay. Technical diligence. Business diligence. Technical technical diligence. Can AI system meet desired performance? How much data is needed? Engineering timeline. Okay. Low cost and business diligence. Low cost entry level learn product. For some product for laptop, mobile, grocery, glass. Okay. This product or business. Ethical diligence. It is going to make society better. Okay. Bill with buy. You can make bill. You can buy this. Okay. ML project can be in house or output. Okay. Dear data science. DS projects are generally in house by industry standard only build specialized product. Okay. How to work with AI team and properly you will learn about AI team and platform specific your exception etc. 95% accuracy training validation and that data set. Okay. Don't expect 100% accuracy. Limitation of ML. Insufficient insufficient data. Mid-level data. Ambiguous level. Human perception. Okay. Machine learning framework. Machine learning framework. TensorFlow. TensorFlow. PyTorch. Herat. MH. Net. CNTK. Heavy. pedal, pedal, cycle lane, or Viha, and which are publication, archive, open code repository, GitHub. Okay, and GPU with GPU mean central processing unit. Okay, GPU mean graphic processing unit. GPU computer processor central processing unit. You have power generation at 8 generation and Core i5, Core i7, 8 generation till 14 generation you have by power processor. Okay, you have GPU graphic processor unit. RTX very powerful. RTX very powerful GPU. You can buy NVIDIA main GPU. Cloud, cloud. You can work cloud on Google Colab. For you can call up. You go to website call up and click. Call up inside primary Intel GPU, RAM, and more powerful free. You can connect and we record. Click. Okay. Change runtime type. Okay. And T4 GPU connect and connect it. Okay. Connect. Now run. Delete. Import numpy smp import pandas pd import matplotlib. Okay. Okay. And for example, now run. Okay. Can work in GPU and now see again and system RAM 12.7 GB and GPU RAM 15 GB. Okay, and disk 78 GB. Okay, now close all up. You can work. You have no GPU on laptop on PC. Okay, you can work all up cloud. Okay, cloud with on premise. Okay, now step 3 smart speaker. Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Apple Siri, Baidu, Duo, OS. ठीक है टैप और AI pipeline. Travel A device, A Alexa, A Google, A Siri, ठीक है A Baidu. Okay, speech recognition. Tell me a joke and then recognition. Your time मुझे weather. Okay, log of time variation in touch attitude job. Okay, activity a device set timer for 10 minutes. What the intent at touch duration. What command is to execute. Okay, smart speaker function play music volume up down make call current time do not conversion simple question that specializes execution routine and writing by Thoughtful Junior. Thoughtful Junior. Okay. Tell driver car. math, radar, lidar. Okay. Now can data carve detection, predict, prediction, detection, motion plan, to accelerate, brake. Okay. Now math, radar, lidar, GPS map, GPS map, car detection, pedestrian detection, land detection, traffic light detection, optical detection. And now, net algorithm, trajectory prediction, trajectory prediction. Okay, land, land, net, line, traffic light detection, net line, optical detection, net line. Okay, motion plane, it accelerate, brake. Okay, AI team. Now, 3 point you will learn about. AI team may have 1 second of engineer. A small team can have 4 or 5 members. Example rule: software engineer, execute those that timer. Machine machine learning engineer, machine learning, machine learning researcher, attend state of the art, apply ML standard in between ML researcher and ML engineer. Okay, data science provide insight. Data engineer, data engineer, engineer. Okay, data engineer organize data, data save and cost effective way. We have lot of data. Scalability is important. AI product manager, what to build and feasible. Get started with a small team. One software engineer, one ML engineer, data scientist, nobody but yourself. Okay. AI transformation playbook. Execute, execute, execute a pilot project to gain momentum. Build an in-house AI team. Provide both AI training. Develop an AI strategy. Develop internal and external communication. Execute pilot project. Start the flywheel. Execute pilot project. Start the flywheel to transaction within 6 and 12 months can be in house of outsource. Okay, outsource. Build and in AI and build an in-house AI team. Okay, CEO, AI, AI, artificial intelligence, business, BU. Okay, develop tool that should be useful company wide under CIO, CTO, CDO, CAIO. Okay, provide both AI training, role, executive, and senior business leaders. Okay, what they should learn, what AI can do for your enterprise. AI strategy, record allocation. Okay, leaders or division working on AI product. That product direction, technical and business delegation. Record allocation, monitor progress. AI training, but build and ship AI software, gather data, execute on specific AI product. You can about provide both AI training. Okay, you code online code book course rather than create content. Develop an AI strategy. Leverage AI to create an advantage particular to your company. Design strategy then that align with the cycle of AI. Blue River projection agriculture, more data, better products, more users, and cycle will be executed. Okay, AI needs to be specialized or verticalized to your industry strategy. Don't compete with game. Okay, creating a strategy. Strategy data acquisition. Unified data warehouse pull data into single repository. Software can connect the dots, create network effect, and platform advantage. For example, Uber, Kareem, Facebook. Okay. Low cost strategy, high value strategy. In the video help you how to get job and about AI. Okay, how to get learn about job and AI project, and I will teach you and learn about communication, how to get learn communication, and see you. Bye bye. I hope this video helped you. Goodbye. Take care.